Hey folks, this is Anupam back again. I am today going to talk about how do we whitelist some of the SAP objects for stream intelligence. So obviously, stream intelligence, it's very powerful technology. You can get your tables, reports, views, queries, CDS, you name it. But then the question arises, how do we keep the information secure so that it's up to the system team to decide what gets streamed and what doesn't, right? So that's something which came up in a discussion, and I thought I'll create a quick video of what's the whitelisting and how to set it up. All right, so this is my ID on SAP, and I'm going to run our favorite RM07 docs with the variant. And what we have done on the system is we have whitelisted RM07 docs. So if I pull this using an API or, right now I'm doing Postman, but any kind of extraction to Data Lake or in my Power BI, etc. I'll be using this parameter, RM07 docs with the variant. And when I pull this, since this has been whitelisted by my system, I get the data, right? Now, what I did was I copied the same report into a Z report, which is not whitelisted. Z underscore RM07 docs. It could be any report, and it need not be just Z report. It could be a table, another report, whatever we have not whitelisted. So I'll show that we can run this in SAP GUI because I'm authorized. But if I try to somehow pull this using streaming, what I will get is a blank response. Why is that? Because my system admin has not whitelisted this for streaming. So this cannot be streamed to any of the applications or to Data Lake, etc. So how to set up that control? The system users, they have a program provided which uploads and maintains the approved extractions. Once they run this, basically it uploads a local file with all the objects which are allowed to be streamed, and this basically is checked during the runtime then of whether this is allowed or not. So this is basically to whitelist the items which can be streamed. It is per system, and it is totally as a self-service by the system users so that they can manage what gets streamed or not. I hope you find this useful.